Hello friends, welcome to our first class of differentiation. Differentiation is a branch of maths which deals with minimizing the value. There will be different applications, uses of differentiation. Differentiation is generally used to get the profit, loss during the graphs of businesses, also in temperature variances, and also in building constructions, and to get and determine the speed, distance covered per hour, and also to derive many equations in physics. So it's a big chapter. Even we have the applications of differentiation chapter 2. So now let's see, in this class let's see the basic formulas which are used in differentiation. So let's see. Differentiation generally will be write as d by dx. If we are taking x as the common number, variable, then d by dx, d by dy, or d by dz, or d by d theta. Okay, different things will be. So d by dx or anything will be writing in this way. Yeah. Now let's see the basic formulas. Okay. Some of the basic formulas I am going to say you. D by dx. Yeah. D by dx of c. What is c? Constant. Any number is there, so it will be 0. D by dx of x power 1. X power 1 means x is there and at that power any number is there. That is n of x and minus 1. Power should be written here and less than 1 of the power should be kept to the power of x. D by dx of e power x. E power x is nothing but same. E power x only. In the same way, d by dx of log x. Log x means what? Logarithm. Is nothing but 1 by x log a to e. Here e is the base. In the same way, again what formula? D by dx. D by dx of a power x. How we have to write? Same. A power x log a. Okay. Let it be d by dx of log ex is same but 1 by x. Here it is a means 1 by x. In the same way, log of e of x, especially e is given means 1 by x log of a e. So in this way, this is the basic 6 formulas. Again other formulas, let's see, of sine, cos, cosec, sec and cot. We have seen, no? D by dx of, just first of all I will write d by dx of sin x is equal to what? D by dx of cos x is equal to what? D by dx of tan x is equal to, in the same way, d by dx of cosec x, in the same way, d by dx of cosec after sec x, x here also, and d by dx of cot x. Dx of sin x what? Every time kinda find d of dx of sin is x cos x. In the same way, cos x will be minus of sin x. Tan will be c. Something you have to keep in the remember sec square x. Sec square x. Cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Okay, just keep in this mind. Sec x, tan x, sec x. Cot x, what is cot x? Minus cosec square x. Okay, these are the very much important formulas are there. Unless and until you won't be by hearting, you will be very much confused. Just keep in the mind, for sec and cosec two values are there, for entire other just one value is there. In the same way, let's see some inverse formula. What is inverse? We'll be writing as 1 by in the power minus 1 will write that's the inverse formula. Just I'll write first of all. Yeah, d by dx of sin x is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x square under root. X value whatever is there, 1 minus x square. In the same way, cos is same, but minus it will be in front. Minus of 1 by 1 minus x square. In the same way, tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. Simple one is there. Cosec square what? Cosec inverse is equal to, somewhat tough it is, minus 1 by x of x square minus 1. Okay. In the same way, sec inverse 1 by x of x square minus 1. Okay. Cot, last but not the least, same as of tan, minus 1 of 1 plus x square. So these are the basics of inverse. Last we have seen the basics of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Same it is that only, but in inverse way. In this fifth, we'll be seeing that how we have to add or subtract two numbers. Two numbers is there. So d by dx is there. Let it be function 1, f1 of x1 or x plus or minus f1 or f2 of x. This means what? First number, second number. Plus means plus, minus means minus. Nothing. Just what we do, d by dx of f1x plus or minus d by dx of f2x. If here 3x is there, first we should derivate for 3x. Here 2x is there, first derivate for 2x. So first number, second number, 1 by 1. If it's plus, plus. If it's minus, minus we have to keep. Nothing, it's very simple. In the same way, how we have to multiply? How we have to multiply the two numbers? Yeah. d by dx of, let it be this one first number into second. This will be equal to what? f1x. f1x into d by dx of f2x plus d by dx of f1x plus into this into f2x. What it mean? It mean that first multiply the second one. First one don't do derivate, second one you do. In the same way, in the plus, first one you derivate and second one you don't do. For one you should derivate and for other not, and in the same way for first you should derivate and for other not. So that should be kept under plus. In the same way, if we want to divide, what we should do? Dividing of what? Any two numbers. D by dx of, generally we will be taking here as u by v. What will be taking? U by v. Yeah, d by dx of u by v. U and v are two numbers. Okay, let it be one number and second is the other number. In order to derivate that, just see by v square. The number is there without derivation. Just we have to write v square and see. V should be written the same. d by dx of u, the numerator should be derivated, minus numerator should be written and denominator should be derivated. As same as we have did in this multiplication, no? In multiplication what we did? In the same way you have to do. Where was multiplication? Yeah, this and this we did, no? For one we have to not derivate and for other we have to derivate. In the same way, for other should not be derivate, for first one should be derivate. Here also same, for one, for second, but vu, second one u should be derivated, numerator should be in the same way second numerator should be derivated. These are the basic formulas. Just read and slow and steady. How you will be getting these formulas, we will be going further. Okay, thank you.